Yo guys, welcome back to the video. This video I'm gonna be doing boning Hyperion. He went too fast, he got boned. And then after that, I'm also gonna be doing King Helios. Oh wait, no, not King Helios. New name, which I think is personally horrible, but Volcano Helios. He's the king of the volcanoes, what do you know? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the video. We have the king of the volcanoes. Is that a good name? We got the king of the volcanoes. He used to have a name called King, but he doesn't like it, so now it's just called Volcano Helios. Also, this Beyblade is called Super Hyperion, but he didn't like the name Super, so now he called himself Bonnie Hyperion. Because one day he was gonna bit too super, and after he boned himself out, and that's how it goes. That's how the way it goes. He just boned himself out. And that's why his new nickname is Born Hyperion. What do you know? Okay. Well, anyways, this is a limit breaker battle. This is gonna be up to 3 points. I'm saying this while the battle's already started, but this is gonna be up to 3 points. So whoever gets 3 points wins. Burst is 2 points. Ring out is 1 point, and spin out is also 1 point. So Helios right now is in the league with 1 point. And Born Hyperion is sadly 0. That's pretty harsh. But let's do this. Oh, big hits! These people are going back and forth. Like back and forth. What? Oh, Helios is gonna make this a quick video, isn't he? Oh darn! Helios is gonna do this, so he's gonna make it a 2-minute video. How can I make this video last? Maybe if I'm gonna take off the chip off of Helios. Guys, we can't have the video be this quick. We can't. Okay, I took off the chip of Helios' tip. Took off the chip of Helios' chip. I asked you why. Won, technically, but I'm gonna be a bit biased. So here's how I'm gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be saying that was a draw. that was a draw. So I'm being biased. No, why did you awaken? Born Hyperion, why? Oh, this Beyblade is... Guys, it's still gonna be... see, 3 minutes, not that bad. 3 minutes for a video is not that bad, guys. 3 minutes videos is actually outstandingly great. 3 minutes... Oh, that's a tie! Oh, man! Another video might be too long. I hope it's not too long here now. Okay, it seems like one spike I think came out of Helios. Not Helios, I meant Born Hyperion. You notice how Helios didn't even awaken yet? Awaken Helios. No, still tied though. Wow, okay. We have to get a ring out or something. Okay. Okay, pretty big hits. Oh no, he has to go in for a rush launch. That's the only way it's gonna be. Guys, I just messed up the video. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, anyways. You guys could hear me talk. I guess you guys could hear me talk when Helios gets his last points. When I put as when I put Kevin end the video, it has to be Helios that wins. Helios, send a thing on when I. So slow. I said Helios. the one time when they listen, they do. Okay. At least it's 2-2. It's all coming up to this battle. Probably not. Probably gonna be the same like the other battle. But it's coming up to this battle. Who will win? The Beyblade that went too super fast and burned itself out, or Helios, who was born in a volcano? Oh, Helios Volcano, the king of volcanoes, took the dub. Wow, that is wow. That's crazy. So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this with, especially these two Beyblades. These two Beyblades are very fun Beyblades. And yeah, so if you want to see any more videos with these two Beyblades, of course. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next bang video. See you guys later. Peace out. Bye.